In this lesson, we will discuss about the processing of messenger RNA in eukaryotes. In the case of prokaryotes, as DNA is suspended in the cytoplasm and nucleus and the nuclear membrane are absent, so in them the newly synthesized messenger RNA is directly released into the cytoplasm, where this messenger RNA is converted into a polypeptide chain. However, in the case of eukaryotes, the messenger RNA has to travel long distance from inside the nucleus to ribosomes outside in the cytoplasm. In eukaryotes, transcription occurs inside the nucleus, and after transcription, the newly synthesized messenger RNA is shifted from the nucleus to the cytoplasm through the pores of nuclear membrane. To carry on this long journey, the messenger RNA, it is processed in several ways. At the same time, it is also discovered that the length of the gene which is transcribed during the process of transcription is more than the length of the messenger RNA which is transcribed from that gene and later on translated in the cytoplasm. Now this discovery that the gene it is containing more nucleotides as compared to the messenger RNA which is transcribed from that gene and is being translated in the cytoplasm, it is clearly indicating that the processing it is taking place inside the nucleus after the transcription. Now this processing it is providing a sort of stability to the messenger RNA, and processing is completing in two steps. Here in this diagram you can see the template strand. This template strand it is running from 3' to 5' direction. In the template strand, certain nucleotide sequences which are here labeled as exons, they are present. These nucleotide sequences are those which are transcribed and later on translated during the process of translation. It means exons have the information about the synthesis of polypeptide chain, while the second type of the nucleotide sequences which are present in the template strand, these are introns. Introns are those nucleotide sequences which are transcribed during the process of transcription, but they are not having information about the polypeptide chain, so they are not translated. So as these areas that are the introns, they are not required in the messenger RNA, so before the shifting of the messenger RNA from the nucleus to the cytoplasm, the introns are removed. So how this process it is going on? First of all, transcription it will occur. During the transcription, the whole gene it has been transcribed. Now the messenger RNA it is formed from 5' to 3' direction, and now it is containing both the exons as well as the introns. In the first step of the processing, the cap and the tail they are added to the messenger RNA. Now the cap and the tail they will provide stability to the messenger RNA. They will protect the messenger RNA from the attacks of nucleases and phosphatases during its journey from nucleus to the cytoplasm. The cap it is of 7-methyl GTP and it is added 5' to 5' with the first nucleotide of the messenger RNA. Here you can see that the cap it is present at the 5' end of the messenger RNA, while the poly A tail it is added with the last nucleotide at the 3' end of the messenger RNA. After this, the second step of the processing, it will occur. At the second stage of the processing, the introns, they are removed. These introns, they are removed by special type of the proteins which are called spliceosomes. Now here, the spliceosomes, they are cutting the introns. They will cut off the introns. The introns, they are removed during the process of cutting or splicing. This process is done by special type of the proteins which are called spliceosome. So, by the activity of spliceosomes, the introns, they are excised, and only the exons, they will stay in the messenger RNA. Now, this messenger RNA, which is containing the exons, that is the information about the synthesis of the polypeptide chain, it is having at 5' end a cap, and at the 3' end a poly A tail. This will travel from the nucleus to the cytoplasm through the pores of the nuclear membrane. Inside the cytoplasm, it will be translated.